We'll help you on how to create a new wallet on the Phantom cryptocurrency wallet on Microsoft Edge.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
In this case, we have the Phantom wallet pull up and we want to create a new wallet. So click create. You can continue with an email or you can create a seed phrase wallet. In this case, we're going to create a seed phrase wallet. And now you want to create or type in a password and click agree to their terms of services. And as you can see, it will even show you the strength of your password, strong, medium, etc. Click continue. And now you will be given the recovery phrase. Basically read this and it says only show this to yourself. Do not share this with anyone else. As you can see, if you hover over, you have 12 or there might even be 24. And once you're happy or satisfied, you can click here, I saved my recovery phrase, and click continue. And now it's going to ask you to create a username. You can type in whatever you'd like and it would say it's available or not, and then click continue. As you can see, the Phantom wallet is currently being created and it should say that you're all ready, and now you can click get started. And now as you can see, you have successfully created your Phantom wallet online completely for free.